This video's shout out goes to Lily Anna, Brooklyn's World, and that's Ellie for you for commenting rather if you like Bran or not in my last post. Hey guys, welcome back to 𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘, and today I have another song cover for you guys. But before we get into that, I need to tell you about some stuff that's going on 𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘. So, it is officially December, and that means it's Christmas time. So, because of that, this is going to be my last non-seasonal video. So yeah, you should expect some Christmas crafts, some fun holiday gift exchanges that I'm doing with other people. I can't promise this, but you might be getting a vlog. I don't know yet, but yeah. So I just want to update you on that. And also, I'm going to be doing a December Etsy release. I didn't do one for November because I just couldn't. So you can expect a video coming up pretty soon about that. And I think that's all I have to say. Without further ado, today I'm going to be doing a song cover of POV, aka Point of View by Ariana Grande, and hopefully you like it. So I will see you after that. Okay. It's like you got superpowers, turn my minutes into hours. You've got more than 20/20, babe. Made a glass of waves see through me. You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. How you touch my soul from the outside. Permeate my ego and my pride. I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I'd like to see from your point of view. I wanna trust me the way that you trust me. Ooh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I'm getting used to receiving, still getting good at not leaving. I'ma love you even though I'm scared. Yeah, learning to be grateful for myself. Love my lips 'cause they say the things we've always been afraid of. I can feel it starting to subside. Learning to believe in what is mine. I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me the way that you trust me. Ooh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I couldn't believe it or see it for myself. No, I'd be impatient, but now I'm out here falling, frozen, slowly thawing. Got me right. I won't keep you waiting. All my baggage fading safely. And if my eyes deceive me, won't let them stray too far away. I wanna love me the way that you love me. Ooh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me. Ooh, way that you trust me. Ooh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I'd love to see me from your point of view. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys. And before you leave, please comment down below, crock pot needs cleaning. Just comment that down below and you might get a shout out in my next video. So yeah, I will see you in my next video when I'm doing something holiday-ish. So I'll see you in there and I'll see you then. Alright, yeah, bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share this channel. I'm eating chips by the way.